Hey, welcome back. We're starting section 7 today of the complete guide to reading rhythms. Now, as with every section we've had in the past, we get a new symbol at the beginning of that section. So, our new symbol today is the 2-4 time signature. We've had 2 time signatures before the new one that we have today. If you remember, the first one we had it was 4-4, and then we had 3-4, and now we've got 2-4. Now, remember when we talked about time signature, there's 2 numbers, one on top of the other, and I said, don't really worry about the bottom number. That's still going to hold true. Now, what I want you to think about right now is, what did we say about the top number? The top number we gave a little name to. It tells us what? It tells us how many. It's the how many number. So, in 4-4 time, we counted to 4. That's right. And in 3-4 time, we counted to 3, right? And now we have 2-4 time, we're going to count to 2. You got it? Super simple. We don't really need to go into any more detail about it than that, because very simply, we're going to count to 2. Probably the most challenging thing we're going to have in this section is the fact that we drop back down to 40 beats per minute on our metronome. So, speaking of dropping back down to 40 beats per minute, let's go back to the top of section 7 and start playing. We're going to listen to that tempo for a second. And now that we've had those 8th notes, try to think those 8th notes, right? Try to think. And, 2, and, 1, and, 2, and there I am counting in 2, 2, and, 1, and, 2. And that's all we're going to do. 1, here's line 1, 2, line 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. 1, 2. Line 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1. 2. Line 3. 1, 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Line 4. 1, 2 and 1. 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and line 5 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Line 6, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1. Line 7, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Line 8, 1 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 1, 2. Beautiful. That's easy, right? So we're going to go back to the top of section 7. Hey, I thought I might add in a little bit of information about 2-4 time. 2-4 time in general is going to be used for polka dance style, right? So the polka dance style, which is the oompa, 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 or march style. So you'll see in the rhythms that I've put here become, especially as we get a little bit faster, which is usually the case, we're not going to have a whole lot of music that happens at the 40 beats per minute range. But when we get around 100, 120, a lot of these rhythms are going to come to life for you. You'll see. Just stay with me. Back to the top. Line 1, 45 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, line 1, go. 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1, line 2, go. 1, 2, 2. 1 and 2 and 1, line 3, go. 1, 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1. Are you tapping your foot and counting out loud? Here's line 4, 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and line 5 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, line 6, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1. Line 7, go. And 2 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 8 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 1, 2. Very nice. All right, bumping it up again. I told you this was going to be an easy section of the book. Here we go. Top of the page, line 1, 50 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, ready and go. And 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2. Line 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Line 3, 1, 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Line 4, 1, 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1. Line 5 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Line 6, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1. Line 7, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Line 8, 1 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 1, 2. Great, we got 30 seconds. You feeling good about this? This is simple, right? This should hopefully feel like section 7 today is so much of a relief after all that stuff we did in section 6. Here we go, top of the line, top of the page. 2, line 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2. Line 2, go. 1, 2, 2. 1 and 2 and 1. Line 3, go. 1, 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1. Line 4, go. 1, 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and... We'll stop right there. We're going to pick up with line 5 of section 7 at 55 beats per minute tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Great job. We're making great progress. We're going to be done with section 7 on to section 8 in no time flat. See you tomorrow.